By now, you've seen how portable, versatile, and powerful the Trek Model 157 is. Now, let us show you how easy it is to use. First, connect the charge plate. Then, connect the grounding wire. Then, connect the optional barcode scanner. Then, the optional thermohygrometer. And finally, place the Model 157 out of the ion stream and the charge plate directly under the ion stream. You can set up the Model 157 to run in manual or automatic test. Engineers and scientists will want to use the manual setting for verifying ionizer operation and to customize their own auto tests. These auto tests can then be used by service technicians to speed bench-to-bench ionizer testing. Station-to-station reports then allow the engineer to run further manual tests on any individual ionizers that appear to be malfunctioning. To verify that an ionizer is not introducing a charge into your work area, you should test that it is properly balanced. Select Balance Mode and observe the display. Seeing that the ionizer is out of balance, go ahead and balance it by adjusting the ionizer adjustment potentiometers while observing the Model 157 display. When the display shows a voltage of 0 volts plus or minus 1 volt, the ionizer can be considered in balance. It's a good idea at this point to run plus and minus discharge tests manually or to run an automated test. That's because even a properly balanced ionizer may not be putting out enough or even any ions to eliminate charges in the workspace. Both the positive and negative discharge tests will tell you how quickly charged objects are discharged by the ionizer. To set the Model 157 up to run and save your manual tests, select More on the main display. Then select Settings. Then Change Test Settings. And then Other Manual Test Settings. At the Record Manual Data prompt, select Yes to save the selection. Then exit to the main menu to run your manual tests. To run a manual balance test, select Balance Test and start the test. When the desired length of the test has elapsed, you can save the test results. Just press Save Test Results. The optional barcode scanning wand makes it easy to identify the ionizer by barcode by selecting Scan Barcode. Then scan the ionizer's barcode and save the test results. To run a manual positive discharge test, select the Positive Discharge Test. Then select Start Test. After the delay time has elapsed, the plate starts to discharge. Now you can save the test results. Press Save Test Results. Then you can identify the fan and the ionizer by barcode and save the test results. To run a manual negative discharge test, select Negative Discharge Test and then select Start Test. After the delay time has elapsed, the plate starts to discharge. Now you can save the test results. Press Save Test Results. Then you can identify the fan and the ionizer by barcode and save the test results. You can even change the settings for your manual mode tests, like setting up the manual discharge mode test to start and end at a different voltage. From the main menu, select More. Then select Settings. Select Change Test Settings. Select Discharge Test Settings. Select Set Start Voltage. We'll adjust the start voltage to 400 and the stop voltage to 50. Set a different delay time, let's say 1 second, and then exit the menu. Technicians will find the Model 157 extremely easy to run in automatic test mode, stepping through the preset tests automatically. These preset tests can be customized to fit any auditing needs that engineers or scientists may have. To set up for automatic test mode, select Auto Test, and the test will be displayed. Select Start Test, and the tests run automatically to user-defined test lengths, pass-fail limits, and test order. Test results appear at the bottom of the display. Now you can save the test results. Just press Save Test Results. Then you can identify the fan and ionizer by barcode and save the test results. At this point, the auto test can be run on a different ionizer. To view your saved test data, simply select More, then select Memory. Then select View Test Results, and the test results are displayed in the order you performed them. To exit out of the viewed memory, just press Exit. This menu also allows you to clear the memory of stored test results. It's easy to connect the Trek Model 157 to your PC using the USB cable. That enables you to use the Trek Model 157 software to perform a variety of tasks, like building your own auto test, downloading test data from the Model 157, reviewing saved test data, and setting the date and time on the Model 157. To build your own auto test, just select Add a Test. Then select Test Type Discharge. Set the delay to 1 second, the test length 10 seconds, the pass limit to 5 seconds, the start voltage to 1000, and the stop voltage to 100. Next, select Add another test. Select Test Type Negative Discharge, and we'll change the start voltage to 500 and leave everything else the same. Next, we'll add a balance mode test. Set the test length to 10 seconds and change the pass limit to 3 volts. Finally, we'll save this sequence to disk as Demo Sequence and upload the sequence to the Model 157. When the upload is successful, select Exit. It's easy to use the View Memory selection to download all the test data from the Model 157. You can see the data is being retrieved. Once all the data has been retrieved from the Model 157, you can scroll through the different tests. You can then save this test data to disk by clicking on Save Test Data. At this point, you can clear the memory to erase all the saved test data on the Model 157, or you can exit. To review your saved test results in Excel, simply locate the test result file, double-click on the icon, and it opens in an Excel spreadsheet summarizing the results. To set the time and date stamp on the Model 157, simply select Set the Time and Date. Then select the time format, either 12-hour or 24-hour, and select Set Time and Date, and then the time and date will be set to the time and date that the computer is set to. Two powerful optional accessories add to the versatility of the Model 157. The optional barcode scanner makes it easy to link test results with individual ionizers or individual fans. The optional thermohygrometer enables you to record temperature and humidity during tests, displaying results at the bottom of the Model 157 screen. By now, it should be clear that the Trek Model 157 will enable you to carry your ESD testing to places you have never been able to before. To learn more about the Trek Model 157, call 1-800-4TREK, visit us on the web at trekinc.com, or email us at sales@trekinc.com.